Let's talk cybersecurity. It's a complex world filled with ever-evolving threats and vulnerabilities. Protecting our digital assets requires constant vigilance and a proactive approach. It's like flossing, important, but often ignored until disaster strikes. Like a painful cavity or gum disease. We know we should do it, but it's easy to put off until it's too late. The same goes for cybersecurity. Imagine a doorman, a vigilant guardian standing watch, who not only spots a burglar lurking in the shadows but knows his habits, the tools he uses, and immediately calls the police with detailed information before he even tries the door, anticipating the threat before it materializes. That's what AI is rapidly becoming for our digital lives, a proactive, intelligent security system. The internet isn't a quiet neighborhood anymore where you can leave your doors unlocked and trust your neighbors. It's a chaotic, bustling city full of threats lurking around every corner, far beyond bored teens in hoodies experimenting with code. Today's attackers are highly organized, relentless in their pursuit, and increasingly automated, moving way too fast and generating too much data for humans alone to effectively handle. Traditional security waits for something bad to happen, a breach or an attack, then scrambles to patch the hole and minimize the damage. AI flips the script entirely. Instead of just cleaning up messes after they occur, AI uses its advanced algorithms to predict and actively prevent them from happening in the first place. Think of AI as a highly skilled bouncer who doesn't just passively check a list of known offenders but actively notices and analyzes suspicious behavior and subtle anomalies, even from someone cleverly disguised or attempting to blend in. It's this remarkable ability to spot the new, the unusual, the weird, and the just plain wrong patterns of activity that truly makes AI a game changer in the world of cybersecurity. Our increasingly complex digital lives need far more than simple alarms and reactive measures. They need a vigilant, intelligent doorman who never sleeps, constantly watching and learning. And that's precisely what AI is starting to deliver, a new era of proactive and intelligent digital protection. For years, our main defense was signature-based detection. It was the cornerstone of cybersecurity, the first line of defense against a growing digital threat landscape. A digital wanted poster. Think of it as a list of known criminals, constantly updated with new faces and aliases. Antivirus software checks files against a list of known threats, meticulously comparing each file's signature to the database. If it matches a known threat, you're safe. The file is flagged and quarantined. If not, you're exposed, vulnerable to whatever that unknown file might contain. The problem? Criminals constantly tweak their code. They are always finding new ways to bypass security measures, creating endless new variants that slip right past these old defenses. It's a constant game of cat and mouse, with the criminals always one step ahead. It's like only arresting crooks in striped shirts. Everyone else walks free. The system is inherently flawed, only capable of recognizing what it already knows. This reactive model means someone always has to be the first victim. Someone has to suffer a breach, so that a new signature can be created and added to the list. Cybersecurity teams are drowning in alerts, overwhelmed by the sheer volume of potential threats. Most of them false alarms, while real threats slip by unnoticed, lost in the noise. Attacks now number in the millions every hour, a relentless barrage of malicious code. No human team can keep up with that kind of scale. The sheer volume is impossible to manage manually. It's like watching 1,000 CCTV screens at once. You're bound to miss the real break-in, the subtle anomaly that signals danger. Our old defenses were built for a simpler time, a time when threats were less sophisticated and less frequent. And that time is over. We need a smarter, faster way to keep up with the ever-evolving threat landscape. That's where AI steps in, offering a new paradigm for cybersecurity. It's not about bigger locks, it's about smarter ones, locks that can learn and adapt to new threats in real time. The future of security is proactive, not reactive, anticipating and neutralizing threats before they can cause harm. So, what's the new way? Enter artificial intelligence. In cybersecurity, AI isn't a robot overlord. It's a master of pattern recognition. Machine learning learns what normal looks like for your network, who logs in when and what they do. Deep learning goes further, finding hidden patterns in massive, messy data, like a digital Sherlock Holmes. Behavioral analytics builds profiles for every user and device, learning their digital routines. If your account suddenly acts out of character, logging in from a new country at 3 a.m., downloading sensitive files, AI spots it instantly. No signature needed, just smart, adaptive defense. AI doesn't just memorize old threats, it learns, adapts, and evolves. It's like having a security guard who knows everyone's habits, and notices when something's off. That's the power of AI in cybersecurity. It's always learning, always watching. Here's how it works. AI first learns what's normal for your network, who does what, when and how. Once it knows the baseline, it hunts for anomalies, anything out of the ordinary. A late-night data spike, an employee's computer running strange software, AI flags it, but it's not just about single events. AI connects the dots, spotting patterns that reveal a real attack in progress. For example, it might see a phishing email, a strange connection, and a network scan all linked as one coordinated threat. Unlike old systems, AI raises a single urgent alarm, not a flood of noise. Best of all, AI can act instantly, quarantining devices, blocking attackers, or suspending accounts before damage is done. In cybersecurity, seconds matter. AI responds in milliseconds. It's not just about detection, it's about rapid, automated response. That's how AI turns the tables on cybercriminals. The result? Fewer breaches, faster recovery, and a safer digital world. That's the new standard. This isn't theory, these are real-world applications happening right now. AI is already protecting banks, safeguarding financial assets and customer trust, hospitals, ensuring the safety and privacy of sensitive patient information, retailers, defending against fraud, and maintaining seamless online shopping experiences, and factories, securing critical infrastructure and preventing disruptions to production lines. In banking, AI spots money laundering by detecting odd transaction patterns, identifying anomalies that would otherwise slip through the cracks. That, old systems miss. It's providing a crucial layer of defense where it's needed most. Hospitals use AI to isolate infected devices before malware spreads, preventing widespread system failures and data breaches, protecting patient data and lives. It's a vital tool in the fight against cyber threats in healthcare. Retailers rely on AI to block bots from hijacking customer accounts, preventing fraudulent purchases and protecting brand reputation, analyzing behavior, not just passwords. This adds a layer of security that's incredibly difficult to bypass. Even industrial plants use AI to catch subtle sabotage attempts, flagging tiny changes in machine commands. It's about maintaining operational integrity and preventing catastrophic failures. In each case, AI sees what humans and old tools can't, uncovering hidden threats and vulnerabilities, catching threats before they become disasters. It's proactive security at its finest. It's not just about big business. AI is defending power grids, water plants, and the systems we all rely on. It's protecting the very foundations of our society. The common thread? AI's ability to spot the unusual, act fast, and prevent catastrophe. It's about speed, precision, and unwavering vigilance. These aren't just stories, they're the new reality of digital defense. This is how we're fighting back against cybercrime. AI is the silent guardian behind the scenes. It's already making a difference, and its role is only growing. As threats evolve, so too will AI's capabilities. The future is here, and it's AI-powered. It's the dawn of a new era in cybersecurity. Does this mean humans are out of a job, replaced by machines? Not at all. The best security, the most robust defense comes from humans and AI working together in harmony. AI handles the grunt work, sifting through massive amounts of data, flagging potential threats, so experts can focus on strategy, in-depth analysis, and critical investigation. Humans provide crucial context and nuanced judgment, teaching AI what's truly dangerous, malicious, and what's just unusual network behavior. This continuous feedback loop makes both smarter AI learns and adapts from human decisions, and humans get access to better, more powerful tools. It's a true partnership. AI scales up human skills exponentially, while people guide, refine, and improve the technology. With AI, even small teams can effectively protect massive, complex networks, moving away from reactive firefighting to proactive, intelligent threat hunting. The result? A cybersecurity dream team where incredible machine speed meets unparalleled human ingenuity. That's the exciting future of cybersecurity. What does this mean for you? AI security isn't just for big companies, it's protecting you right now. Your email spam filter, your bank's fraud alerts, even your antivirus. AI is working behind the scenes. To stay safe, enable AI-powered features, use two-factor authentication, and keep your software updated. Remember, AI can block 1 million attacks, but it can't stop you from falling for a scam, so stay skeptical. Use strong, unique passwords and a password manager. Practicing good digital hygiene makes AI's job easier. As attackers get smarter, so does AI, turning the tide in our favor. The future of cybersecurity is proactive, predictive, and personal. AI is making the digital world safer for everyone from hospitals to your home, and that's a future worth looking forward to.